Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best sonic cleaner is probably one of the most innovative gadgets to hit the market, promising a revolutionary way to clean your belongings. From jewelry to eyeglasses, this device claims to use ultrasonic waves to gently yet effectively remove dirt and grime. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the sonic cleaner, helping you decide if it's the right cleaning solution for you. Number 5. Magnasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. Tired of dull jewelry and glasses? This ultrasonic cleaner uses 42 kHz waves to safely and deeply clean your items. It removes dirt and oil, restoring brilliance in minutes. This machine handles everything from rings to dentures. You don't need harsh chemicals or any guesswork. Just add water and press start, it's that easy. With 5 modes and a spacious 20-ounce tank, this cleaner offers more than most models. It's a reliable machine for your daily cleaning needs. You'll hear a soft hum, which is proof that the ultrasonic waves are working. The SUS 304 stainless steel tank makes it a trusted choice for cleaning your valuables. Magnasonic's machine delivers professional results at home. With North American support, it's a cleaner you can trust for all your cleaning needs. What we like? This cleaner boasts multiple cleaning modes, allowing you to customize the cleaning process for various items. It offers a spacious tank, providing ample room for your items. If you have a variety of items needing cleaning, or if you want a reliable cleaner for daily use, you should consider this one. What people say. The sonic cleaning machine effectively removes dirt and grime. The device's design is compact and user-friendly. The cleaning machine's sonic technology provides a thorough cleaning. Number 4. CREWORKS 3L Ultrasonic Cleaner. Introducing the CREWORKS 3L Ultrasonic Cleaner. This machine is designed to thoroughly clean even the most delicate items. It uses up to 100 W of heating for powerful cleaning action. Enjoy professional quality cleaning at home. This compact cleaner removes rust and stains from various items. It's perfect for jewelry, glasses, and more. Operating this ultrasonic cleaner is easy with its intuitive control panel. You can set the temperature and timer with the push of a button. Your items will be clean in minutes. Built to last, this cleaner uses 304 stainless steel for the inner basket and tank. It also features non-skid rubber feet and built-in fuses for safety and durability. This ensures it will last for years. Designed with your convenience in mind, this ultrasonic cleaner has inset handles. This makes it easy to transport. It's the perfect cleaning solution for your needs. What we like? This machine features a built-in heater, enhancing its cleaning power for stubborn grime. It's designed for easy operation with an intuitive control panel. If you are looking for a powerful cleaner that can handle tough stains and is easy to use, this is the one for you. What people say. The sonic cleaning machine effectively removes dirt and grime. The device's design is compact and easy to store. The cleaning machine has multiple cleaning modes for various items. Number 3. CREWORKS 2L Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaning Machine. Introducing the CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine. This powerful device uses 60 W of power and a 100 W heater to ensure thorough cleaning, even in hard-to-reach areas. It makes cleaning effortless. This sonic cleaner is perfect for various items. It quickly removes rust and stains from jewelry, glasses, retainers, and more. You can enjoy professional quality cleaning at home. Forget complicated setups. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to set the temperature and timer. With just a push of a button, your items will be clean in minutes. This machine is built for long-lasting use. It uses 304 stainless steel for the inner basket and tank. Non-skid rubber feet and built-in fuses ensure safety and longevity. Convenience is at its core. It boasts inset handles for easy transportation. This ultrasonic cleaner is designed to make your life easier. What we like? This cleaner has a digital control panel, making it easy to set the temperature and timer. It also uses durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. If you like a user-friendly machine with precise control, this one is a great choice. What people say. The sonic cleaning machine effectively removes dirt and grime. The design of the machine is compact and easy to store. The machine's ultrasonic technology provides a thorough cleaning. Number 2. CXRUY Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. This cleaner uses ultrasonic waves to remove food particles and stains effectively. It also has UV lamps to sterilize your dental appliances and eliminate odors. It offers 2 cleaning options. You can choose a 5-minute cycle or a 10-minute pulsed cycle. Repeat the process if you need to remove stubborn stains. With a 200 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for retainers, mouthguards, aligners, dentures, and toothbrush heads. It's also great for jewelry and other accessories. Featuring noise reduction technology, it operates quietly. You can use it anytime, anywhere without disturbing others. Its compact size makes it travel-friendly. It has a built-in overheat protection system. The cleaner will automatically shut off when the internal temperature reaches 100 degrees Celsius. It's recommended to let it cool down after 30 minutes of continuous use. Your satisfaction is the top priority. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Contact us if you have any issues. We are here to help. What we like. This cleaner includes UV sterilization, eliminating germs and odors while cleaning. It offers 2 cleaning modes for different needs. If you have dental appliances or like to travel, this compact and effective cleaner is perfect for you. What people say. The sonic cleaning machine effectively removed dirt and grime. The design is sleek and modern. The machine's ultrasonic technology provided a thorough cleaning. Number 1. Gisaae 11.8 ounces Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. This is the Gisaae Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It's designed to give your jewelry and other items a deep clean. It's easy to use and effective. The cleaner uses 48,000 Hz ultrasonic sound waves. These waves create tiny bubbles that remove dirt from hard-to-reach places. This ensures a powerful yet gentle clean. It offers 2 cleaning modes for different items. The 5-minute mode is for glasses and retainers, while the 7-minute mode is for jewelry and watch straps. Simply select a mode and let it do the work. The cleaning bath is made of 304 stainless steel. It also has overheat protection for safety. The design is simple, making it easy to store and use. With a 350 milliliters capacity, it fits glasses and multiple jewelry pieces. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for home or travel. It's also a great gift for friends and family. We hope you enjoy the cleaning experience. Each machine includes a watch stand and cleaning cloth. We are also available 24 hours to assist you. What we like. This cleaner uses high-frequency ultrasonic waves for deep cleaning. It offers 2 cleaning modes for different items. If you like a portable and easy-to-use cleaner for glasses and jewelry, you should consider it. What people say. The ultrasonic cleaning power really works, and it's quiet too. The cleaner did a great job. After 2 cycles with just water, I added some jewelry cleaner on the 3rd run, and that finally removed the last bits of lotion. This machine works quickly, using just water to make it looking new and sparkly again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.